found another Finding Dory kind of game, and this one's called Pescadilla Azul, which I think is for Spanish for something blue, maybe blue fish. I don't know. Anyway, so I am going to show you this game that I just downloaded, and alright, let's go. So, I am a Dory fish, it looks like, and I have to watch out for these angry fish. They look angry. Cheer up, guys! Come on, we're in the deep blue sea. We're gonna go on an adventure today. Yeah, do. Hey, yeah, that one's not friendly. And I gotta collect these little orange balls over here. There. Do. Alright, it's getting a little faster now. Guys, come on, let's be friends. Let us be friends again. Ha. Hope you know you can't get me. Do. I'm a Dory fish. Nemo! Hello! Where are you? Hey. These fish are not friendly. They don't even talk. They just swim and they try to get me. You can't get Dory. Okay, we made it to level 2. Alright, here we go, guys. Level 2. Ah! There's hooks! There's fishing hooks over here! That's not good! I guess I gotta stay away from them. I do not want to be fish bait! Trust me, guys, I do not taste good. Repeat, do not eat Finding Dory fish! Yeah, you guys eat like flounder or something. Just kidding. Don't eat fish! Be a vegetarian! Yeah, it's so much better for you. Like seaweed. Yeah, eat seaweed. Alright, gotta watch out. Fish seizure! There's so many hooks! I do not want to get caught. God, how many fishermen are up there? Jeez. No. Oh, no. So I just ran into a fishing line. Alright. Looks like I have a couple lives, though, so I'm going to hit play again. There's the fish again. Hey, wait. 99. Seems like every time you play this game, your score actually saves. So I'm at 100 of those orangey bubbles. Pretty interesting game someone made. Took them time, I gotta say. I kinda like it. A little slow. Wish there was like a fast forward button or something I could speed up a little bit. Okay, gotta go here. Dory, where are you? Squirt? Hello? Where are my friends? Where's LuckyLionBear? I heard he's looking for me. You guys know LuckyLionBear? Gotta watch out for that dude. Down. Go up. Down. Seems like level 2 is really long. Hey, how many of you guys have ever gone fishing? Comment below. Let me know what type of fish you've caught. Hey, there's level 3. Alright, level 3. Let's see what I gotta avoid here. Ah! There's a shark! Another one! Oh no! It looks like Bruce! And Bruce's friends! And Sammy! Stay away from me, guys! No. Wow, that was a close one. Don't get me! This is scary! I don't like the sharks! No! gonna try to eat me. There's so many of them. No, no. How many sharks are there? Gee. No, no, no. Just gotta get away from here. No! Look like I was fish food. Oh, maybe I could try to be someone else. Maybe I could be Nemo. I need 50 for that one, and 50 for my friend Squirt the turtle. Oh, how do I get that high? I'm already like 119, I think. All right, let me continue. I gotta watch out for those sharks. This is starting to be a really scary adventure. I wonder how I can get home. Wish I could swim backwards. Looks like I got eaten again. I hit play. I think you have like unlimited lives in this game, so you can go as far as you want. Dude, watch out. I wonder what level 4 is. What do you guys think is in level 4? I haven't made it there yet. Up. Nope. Hey, nope. That was a close one. Down. Up. Hey, fish seizure! Dude. Guys! Come on, let's be friends! Don't hurt me! Come on, No! That one ate me. I'll invite you over to my party! Although, you gotta promise not to eat any of my friends. Can you make that promise? You? No. Fine. Then you can't come over. I don't know why they're trying to eat me. I'm just a really cute blue and yellow fish. I don't know why they want... No. Sharks are mean. You guys met that guy, Sammy? He always tried to eat me. Probably friends with Bruce. Up, no. Whoa. Up. Yeah. These levels are really long. No, up. I got eaten again. I don't know if I start over every time I get eaten or not from the level. Maybe that's what happens. Alright. Let's try really hard this time, guys, alright? Okay, let's see. We're gonna make it to level 4. Oh, nope, down. Whoa. So guys, I can't wait till the Finding Dory movie comes out. It's gonna be awesome. Love the Finding Nemo one. Oh, no, watch out. No. The sharks are everywhere. Can't get me. Hey! Whoa. Get the bubble. No! I wanted to go up! I don't know if I'll ever make it to level 4. Sorry, guys. Seems like I keep hitting those sharks. No. Stay away. Alright, we're gonna give it one last try. No, down, up. And we'll see if we can get this time. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Love all you guys that watch me. If there's a game you want me to review, comment below, let me know. And I'll download it and I'll give it a try. What's your favorite game, by the way? No. Up, okay. Looks like I just swam off course. Looks like you gotta stay inside. Anyway, alright, we made it to level 3 with the sharks. I don't know what level 4 is and beyond, but you guys could definitely download this and comment, let me know what else you found to be challenging about this game. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching another Lucky Lion Bear episode review. I'll see you guys later. Bye!